So let's get into today's video. I will be recording myself changing my tires, so there's really gonna only be one angle. Hopefully that's okay and it looks fine. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, well, hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I just had a lot of things going on. I am back with another video and I'm changing my tires for the season, so getting rid of my winters and putting my summers on. So let me take you with me and let's do it. The lug nuts are loosened. I'm going to jack it up now. One tire off. Like, this is how bad it gets inside. Like, it's all just caked on there, so I gotta make sure I clean them. But honestly, I love these rims. I love the black rims. I love the way these look. If I could get the same kind of ones for summer or something similar, that'd be awesome. Okay, I put this in the back. This one that's kind of more worn out. Let me go get the other two. These two will be my front, just because they're worn out the least, so I'm assuming these were in the back previously. Sorry, I don't have anyone filming for me, so this is kind of different. Since these are just washed, I'm just gonna make sure it's dry inside. Going over here. Oh. We're gonna go do the front. The video cut off, so I don't know where it cut off. I'll just show you now on the front tire. Gonna dry the inside quick. Okay. Okay. I mean, honestly, okay, never mind. I got the block under there. We should be all set. Also, I don't know why my brother said I quit YouTube. I didn't necessarily quit it. I took a break. I had a lot of stuff going on, and you know, I didn't really have much video ideas, and I feel like I don't want to make boring videos because then no one's gonna watch it. So I was also thinking, since summer's coming up, I can maybe do some golf videos. I don't know if you guys would watch that. I'm okay. I started this would be my 3rd year golfing. I'm actually pretty good. I don't know. I'm alright. I got myself a new set of clubs. And actually at the end of last fall, I've been taking it more seriously. If you guys like to see golf videos, let me know. Oh, I didn't even realize that my back tire is kind of in the air. Alright. I know it's probably not the greatest thing that I have my feet under there, but that's really the only way I can get my tire to stay in place, so. Anyways, okay. Now, since they're tight, I'm gonna drop it, take out the stump, and I'm gonna slowly my 2 right tires are done, and now we will go do the left side. Looks like it's barely lifting. Time to put on the summer rim now, or tires. I don't know, I like the bigger rims better. I'm not a huge fan of the 17s or 18s. I like the big 19s for some reason. I don't know. Alright, time to drop it now. Alright, down to the final tire. Thank God. I felt like I've been doing this for like 5 hours. I think it's just because I have to clean the tires beforehand, and then not knowing where anything is. Alright, they're loosened up. Now I'm gonna jack it up, but before I do that, I gotta change my safety blocks or stumps from the rear tire to the front tire on the right side. So, be right back. For a second, it was not coming off. Time to put the last summer tire on, and we're all done. They're all tightened. Time to drop. Well, my tires are done. My dad's gonna come over and check them anyways again, just to make sure they're tight enough. That's it for this video.